Okay, here our still thought. So, where can you find the longest road? This one? Sure? Ayan. Okay, ito daw. Is it correct? Sure? Yes, correct. Grabe ako na. It is... Ito yung longest goal. Anong pangalan? Yung longest goal. Okay. Three more. Is it correct? Yes, very good. Okay, di ka na mataas sa mga mathematician. Okay, magsasabi.
Hoy, sino yung una? Ano ba talaga? Ika, sino si Ika? Ay, sabi niya. Ah, sige. Ikaw na. Ah, sige. Okay. How many girls do we have in our skeletal system? 136. Is that correct? Ano ba talaga?
Go. How many bones? Yes, we have 206. It's okay. Now it's over. Okay. Isang question. So, di ba we have longest bone and it is located in our thigh. So, where can you find the smallest bone? In our fingers. Sure na. Gusto niyo ang choices? Our choices. Okay, A. In our fingers. B. In our ears. C. In our teeth. D. In our dito. C or D? C ano yung D? Ears. Okay! Is it correct? Yes, correct. Wow, nakasombat. Hindi ko tapos.
Okay, tabi muna natin si Mr. Boots. Yan, proceed tayo sa exciting part. Gusto niyo ba yan, exciting part? Level 2, pagalingan silang sumayaw. Yan. Mathematician versus scientist. Sino ba yung mga hakaw talaga sumayaw? Ikaw? Bata-bata tayo. Bata-bata. Sorry. Wala kasi malukot. Bata-bata tayo. Sino yung mauna? Bato. Sige. Bato. Okay, una yung mga mathematics. Mathematician natin. Okay, okay naman? Okay, sabay kayong tatlo. Sasabihin nyo Linaw Central School. Tapos Pasigal. Yan, Nalay, okay. Try mo na, try. Try mo na, try. Taga saan school kayo? Yun, very good. Tuloy nga. Ready na. Sige, dito kayo. Okay. Final na ha, ready na, ready na. Okay. Taga saan school kayo? Grabe! Ang pala na to! Kasi na talagang main pala. Okay. The question is, magpapatalo ba ang mga scientists? Okay, sige. So, itaas na gawin niyo yung mga Central School. Sige. Taga-saan school kayo? Sino nanalo? Boys! Okay, boys daw. Pero nanalo sila? Lahat. Yan. Okay, palakpakan natin sila. Okay, thank you so much.
Tasha!
Pati ba nga ngayon, binibilang mo pa natin yung boys. Okay, ang gagaling sumayaw. Lalo na to, oh. Sige. Okay, everyone. Alright, here. Tapos,